entering bison range. Willkommen.
Well, in honor of my new friend Carol, I had a choice of campsites between number 10 and number 13. So, I chose lucky number 13.
Caprock Canyons State Park is an expansive natural area located in the Panhandle Plains region of Texas. The park spans over 15,000 acres and offers a diverse range of outdoor recreational activities. It is home to several unique geological features and is rich in both cultural and natural history.
Come on, man. It's just me. You don't have to yell. It's just me. Okay. All right. You can get mad if you want.
The area that now comprises Caprock Canyons State Park has a long history of human habitation. Evidence of Native American tribes such as the Apache, Comanche, and Cheyenne can be found within the park's boundaries. These tribes were known to use the canyons and plains of the area for hunting and gathering. In the 18th and 19th century, the area was part of the expansive Comancheria, the territory controlled by the Comanche tribes. The Comanche were a nomadic people who relied on buffalo hunting for sustenance. But when European settlers began encroaching on their territory, they became embroiled in conflict. The arrival of European settlers in the late 19th century brought about significant changes to the region. The expansion of the railroad and the discovery of oil in nearby areas led to an influx of people who began exploiting the land for agricultural, ranching, and oil drilling. In the early 20th century, Caprock Canyon was primarily used for grazing and cattle ranching. However, as overgrazing and drought took their toll on the land, the state of Texas recognized the need for conservation efforts. In 1975, the state purchased the first tract of land for what would become Caprock Canyons State Park, aiming to preserve the natural beauty and cultural heritage of the area.
Looks like a great location to have a meeting. Got a fireplace, plenty of room for chairs. It'll give you cover, so protection from the elements. And they've got them available right here. You can have a pretty nice meeting place or just a family get-together.
So I guess if you have to figure something out for dinner, well, hey, you know what? Ribeye and sauteed mushrooms and onions can't be that bad.
Well, you could also add some slice of cucumbers
to kind of spruce it up a bit.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
All the best, always.
Wanna come down to the underground old school? Here's a shovel, can you dig it, fool? Can you dig it?